What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're getting a bike today. We're gonna go pick it up at Bergen Harley Davidson because Harley Davidson is loaning me a bike for 3 weeks. So let's go get it. My baby girl's giving me a ride to Bergen Harley. Pick up the bike, so stay tuned. And we're gonna have it for several weeks up until right before we leave for Sturgis. So we're gonna be putting quite a bit of content out on the bike. You'll see what it is soon, and then we'll be bringing it back, and then we'll be heading to Sturgis for a week and a half. All right, we're here at Bergen Harley. I guess they got a ride going on. Look at that nice fairing. Really nice. So they must have a ride going on today. I'm gonna go inside, talk to Dave, and we're gonna grab the bike. I'll show you guys what it is, and we'll go over it and tell you guys what's in store for the next couple weeks. What's the name? Harley. What a beautiful dog. Now I gotta get one. Let me show you around. Stop in to Bergen Harley Davidson. They got a bunch of bikes. Let me show you what they have. Come on by Bergen Harley Davidson. Talk to Dave. He's one of the managers here. He's definitely gonna take care of you. You guys got a lot of bikes in.
We did. And we'll get some more next week too.
So come by so you guys can pick one up. Talk to Dave.
Come on in.
Thanks, brother. I'll see you later. Thank you. I'll get you in on a video. This is Ray, one of my subscribers. Thanks, brother. Appreciate you, man. Here it is, Pan America. Oh, she's nice. I thought I was gonna get an orange one.
Yeah, you got this.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. With knobbies, I requested the knobby tires. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right?
Especially when you're moving really slow.
Look at this.
I don't know how to last, but they were.
All right, guys, there it is. So I have for about 3 to 4 weeks right before until we go to Sturgis. Beautiful Pan America special knobby tires. We got the panniers on the back. Check this out. And in the beautiful blue. Love this color. I thought it was going to be an orange one, but they definitely sent me the right one. And I requested the knobby tires because we're not only going to be taking on the street, we're going to be taking it off-road for what this vehicle is supposed to be on: dirt, gravel, mud, all of that. So stay tuned. We're going to take it home right now, and I'll let you guys know basically what we're going to be doing with it in the next couple weeks. All right, here we go. Pan America special in the blue. Oh man, I cannot wait. I cannot wait. So what we are going to do is, from today until I have to give the bike back right before Sturgis, like I said, about 3-4 weeks, we're going to do portions of the Northeast BDR. We're going to do, there's a trail that actually goes from the tippy top of New Jersey, High Point, all the way down to Cape May. We're going to do that. We have some awesome riding in some private property that we're going to be doing as well.
This is ours.
Right.
But I wanted you to have it.
Oh, good.
This is a toolkit that usually is under the seat.
Okay.
And this is just in case you want to check out some of the settings.
I will.
All right.
Thanks, Dave. Check Dave out. Give him a call. They got some bikes here. Thanks, brother. Great people here at Bergen Harley Davidson. I think I had purchased 9 Harley Davidsons, and every single one has been from Bergen Harley Davidson. Everybody is great here. I never had a bad experience. They always try to help you out. Everybody's nice and respectful, and they will have my business. But that's it. We're gonna be, let's go take this freaking thing for a ride. Oh yeah, this thing's comfortable. You got the windshield here, see? So like I said, we're gonna be doing the BDR. We're gonna be doing, I wish they had a compartment for the phone. I gotta put my clutches little out. Might have to adjust that. But yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot of off-road stuff. Haven't ridden one in a while. A lot of off-road stuff, road stuff, some trips, some moto camping. So we're going to be doing a lot of stuff here in the next couple weeks with this bike. I cannot wait. And we're going to put it through its paces. Absolutely. We're going to put it through its paces. We're going to see what it could do, what it's capable of, how it stacks up to other bikes, other ADV bikes that I have ridden. I've ridden the 890R, I've ridden the 1290R, I've ridden the Super Adventure, I've ridden the Triumph 900, the Triumph 1200. So I've ridden several adventure bikes, so I could kind of give you a comparison. I haven't ridden the GS yet. We're obviously very familiar with dirt bikes, and we've done a lot of riding, trail riding, double black diamond. Me and Sandy were doing a couple years ago, so we're familiar with it. But we're gonna see what this bike is capable of doing. But it's really nice. It feels really comfortable. A lot of power on the bike. So we're going to be going over the next couple of weeks. We're going to be going over like a lot of the, I guess, the stats and what the bike has. Since I just got it, got to familiarize myself with it. But it is a super comfortable bike with a lot of power. I believe it's got 153, 154 horsepower. The thing friggin' rips. It boogies. Love it in this blue. This is, I'm assuming the Fastback blue, same color as the Street Bob, my Street Bob 114, the giveaway bike. Love it with like the, it's like a off-white cream color, I guess. Really nice. So we're gonna have a lot of fun with this bike. this thing rips, man. 100 like nothing. It's got good wind protection. I have the windshield up. Very good wind protection, I have to say. I don't feel anything on my helmet. The seat is in its low position right now. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun on this bad boy. So I'm pretty happy to get this bike for a couple weeks from Harley. Huge thank you to Harley Davidson. Huge thank you to Matt from Harley Davidson for making this happen. And I'm just happy, you know why? Because we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I love all types of bikes. It doesn't matter whether it's dirt bike, sport bike, cruisers, touring, off-road. I love them all. And that's what this channel's about, you know, to show a little bit of everything. Obviously, we push the performance bagger genre more than others, but you know, this is Cycle Fanatix. We love all types of motorcycles, and I'm happy to just change it up for a little bit, do some off-road stuff. It's going to be definitely a lot of fun. All right, she's home. I got to pull the beast out because we're using the bike tomorrow for the Valor ride. If anybody is interested, here's the post. Come by tomorrow. It's open to everyone. Come by around 9:30. Register, poker run, beer, food, drinks, good time, nice ride. Everyone is more than welcome to come. So hopefully we'll see you there. But for right now, I'm gonna move that out. We're gonna put the Pan America in right here. I got the Street Bob there. So for the next couple weeks, we're gonna be doing some awesome, we got the knobbies, look at them. Oh yeah, ready to go. So we're gonna be doing some awesome content for you guys on this bike. And then I cannot wait. Me and Glenn are gonna be riding to Sturgis. I'm gonna document basically the entire trip there, our entire trip over there, and then our trip back. So we're gonna definitely stay tuned for those videos. If you're new to this channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'm super stoked about having this bike for a couple weeks. Peace out, guys.